Can a $5 steak really compete with a $50 cut? Today we're going to put that question to the test. Budget cut versus premium ribeye, both cooked to perfection in the Taima Titanium Pan. Side by side, we'll see how a budget sirloin stacks up against a premium ribeye when they're cooked under the exact same conditions. On the beginner side, we've got a $5 sirloin, lean, tougher, less forgiving. On the premium side, a $50 ribeye, loaded with fat, loaded with flavor, and hard to mess up. Step 2. Prepping the meat. Pat them dry. A wet steak won't sear, it'll steam. The $5 sirloin is lean and tougher, so it needs a little extra care. A light tenderizing to loosen the fibers, plus a generous hint of kosher salt and black pepper. It builds up that flavor that isn't naturally in the meat. The $50 ribeye, on the other hand, is packed with intermuscular fat. That marbling melts during cooking, so your prep can stay simple. You just need to salt it a little. Let its natural flavor shine. Step 3. Cooking in a titanium pan. Both steaks go into the Taima Titanium Pan, heated until piping hot and brushed with just a little bit of oil. The even heat helps the lean sirloin form a crust quickly before it dries out, and the slip scale technology keeps it from clinging to the pan without needing excess oil. The ribeye doesn't need as much babysitting. As the fat renders, it bastes the meat from within, creating flavor and tenderness naturally. Same pan, same conditions, but two very different cooking methods. Step 4. Monitoring doneness. With the sirloin, timing is everything. If you take it out at medium rare to medium, it stays tender. Push it too far and it gets chewy. The ribeye is more forgiving, but medium rare is still where the marbling melts down into that buttery texture. The difference here is clear. If you're a chef, you can rely on your own instinct, but with titanium, everything's made easy for the beginner. Step 5. Resting and serving. Once the steaks are off the heat, they both need to rest a little. 5 or 10 minutes is perfect. The pause keeps the sirloin juicy and lets the ribeye's richness settle in. Slice them against the grain, and suddenly, that $5 steak looks just as impressive as the premium cut. Now, time for the taste test. The $5 sirloin, juicy, tender, and way better than you'd expect. The $50 ribeye, rich, buttery, and exactly what you want from a premium cut. Cheap or expensive, 50 bucks or 5, both deliver. And with the Taima Titanium Pan, even a budget steak can taste like a winner. Level up your steak game with Taima Titanium Pan by checking out the full line at taimatitanium.com.